Indians are blessed that our sages have researched extensively and found a scientific system of healthcare called Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a science that provides knowledge of age or life. The scientific philosophy of Ayurveda holds that health remedies for all living things can only be extracted from natural resources. Ayurveda believes that there is a deep relationship between the organism and the environment. The healthy relationship between the two ensures our good health. Taking inspiration from beneficial Ayurveda, the Ministry of Ayush has started many schemes that would reach women for their health benefits through the All India Institute of Ayurveda, AIIA. These different schemes were created only for the health benefits of women. PHI project, Ayurveda care for healthy progeny. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY, PCOS IMR project, and family planning. These programs will not only improve their health, but will also improve their standard of living by teaching them technical skills. Skill courses to empower women, 12 short-term courses approved by the Ministry of Ayush, sensitizing healthcare professionals to Ayurveda, foundation course in yoga science for wellness, technical assistance course in Stri Prasuti, and Jara Sahayak, elderly caregiver.
मैं ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट आयुर्वेदा से पंचकर्मा टेक्नीशियन का कोर्स किया। कोर्स करने के बाद मुझे जॉब मिला। इस जॉब को करके बहुत संतुष्ट हूँ। इससे मैं अपना खर्चा और अपने परिवार का भी खर्चा उठा सकती हूँ।
योगा इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी। महिलाओं के लिए बहुत उपयोगी है योग। इट इम्प्रूव देयर फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग। केवल उनके शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए ही नहीं, बल्कि उन्हें सक्षम बनाने के लिए भी योग बहुत उपयोगी है।
मैं जब से योगा करने लगी हूँ तब से मैंने देखा कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस रहता था पहले, अब वो बहुत कम हो गया है। योगा से हमारा करियर भी बन सकता है।
मैं योगा सीखती हूँ और इसके बाद ऐसा नहीं है कि सीखने के अलावा कि हम सिखा नहीं सकते हैं। विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के माध्यम से हम लोगों को सिखाते भी हैं।
Today, the Ayush system is gaining popularity and people all over the world are recognizing that Ayurveda is a scientific way of healthcare. Areas to empower women. Ayush nursing course for newborn baby care and mother care. Training of Ayurvedic nutrition diet in the midday meal at Anganwadi. Training of Asha workers as Garbhini Rakshak. Women training as Stri Rog therapists. To improve the lives of women, Ayush is working at two levels. Diseases are being diagnosed under the Public Health Initiative or PHI, and employment opportunities are being provided to women through skill courses. Implement DDU GKY in empowering women, providing training to poor rural youth. DDU GKY, transforming rural poor youth into an economically independent and globally relevant workforce. DDU GKY. Important aspects are certification, placements, and capitative placement. Women train in the National Skills Qualification Framework. AIIA's Obstetrics and Gynecology Division is working towards maintaining the physical and mental health of a woman at different stages of her life.
Educating women is very important for the three reasons. Because one woman, one girl, if she is educated, woman especially, she is educated, she takes care of herself, of her health and fitness, she takes care of her children, and she takes care of the family. Ultimately the society is being taken care of. So educating women and educating girls in the school is very important, because catch them young and creating awareness about healthy lifestyle, healthy diet is very important, because prevention is better than cure. And that's how women empowerment is very crucial at this point, when we say that the future of the medicine is no medicine and future of the medicine is integration.
Women-specific schemes of the Ministry of Ayush have been implemented at the national level. A total of 1,200 pregnant women were enrolled and benefited from Ayurvedic care for healthy progeny. Training in progress, 10,000 plus under the HSSC Sub-Council on Ayush. A total of 1,200 pregnant females are enrolled and benefiting. 8,890 pregnant female subjects have been screened in health camp. Total number of enrollments to date 1123. Total number of deliveries to date 565. So far, 8,890 pregnant women have been screened in the health camps of AIIA. Due to the Janani Suraksha Yojana, huge success has been achieved in reducing the death rate among mothers and children. Along with this, women are also being made aware of family planning. Commendable work is also being done in the field of skill training. 12 short-term courses have been approved by the Ministry of Ayush under the Champion Services Sector Scheme. These include the Yoga Foundation course, the Technical Assistance course for Obstetrics, Child Delivery, the Nursing course for Newborn and Maternal Care, and the Elderly Carer course is also envisaged. Along with this, training regarding Ayurvedic nutrition food is also being given in the Anganwadi midday meal, and the training of Asha workers as Garbhini Rakshak is noteworthy. Since 2016, AIIA Obstetrics and Gynecology Department has performed a total of 15,573 successful local procedures. The day is not very far away when India will be the world's leading country providing quality healthcare to its women folk, besides providing technical skills to improve their living standards.